Hello all. So today we shall learn about the virtual base class. So virtual base class are used in virtual inheritance to prevent multiple instances of given class appearing in inheritance hierarchy when using multiple inheritances. We use the keyword virtual for it in order to avoid ambiguity. We'll learn an example now. In this case, we have class A and class B and class C are the subclasses for class A. We have a class called class D, which inherits both class B and class C. So in this case, D will get two instances of class A, okay, which leads to ambiguity. So in order to avoid this, we are going to declare class A as virtual. So if you do it like that, we pass only single copy of A to class D. Okay. Hash include IO string using namespace std. You have a class A public. You initialize, you declare a variable A here. We have a constructor. Initializing it to 10. Okay. Now we have a class B which inherits public virtual class A. That's one. And we have a class C which inherits class A. And again we have a class D which inherits class B and class C. We have a main function here. We declare the object for D and we are going to print the value okay. We are printing the value for A, which means after adding the virtual keyword, only one copy of A is given to the class D. Okay. So it is virtual.cpp. So I am compiling and executing the code G++ virtual.cpp -o virtual. Okay, so To obtain the output, I'm having the executable file name here. See, the value of 10 is obtained here. Hope you are all clear with the virtual base class. Okay. Meet you all in the next video. Thank you.